This is my Panasonic MC 3920 vacuum cleaner, and the switch on it broke. This is the switch. I haven't used it for too many times actually, although it is maybe about 10 years old. I used it a handful of times and the switch broke. And I looked online. The switch is about $8 plus $5 shipping, so that makes it like $13. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to replace the switch. I'm just going to put a butt connector for the wire there, and I'm going to use this adapter as a switch. This adapter here is an on-off switch, so basically I'll be plugging the AC power cord into this and plug this into the wall, and then I will flip the switch when I want to turn it on. Of course, this won't be as convenient as having the switch on the machine itself. So I tuck the switch wire back in here, and the AC wire now is plugged into this adapter with an on-off switch. So if I want to turn on the vacuum, I just press this. So turn it off. That's it. And now all I have to do is try to put this back together.